Hey guys, Mr. Funk here. Today we're going to talk a little bit about the basics of biking. All right, to get started, we're going to bring ourselves on over here. We're going to talk a little bit about our bike. So right here, this is one of the bikes that we can find at the bike area here on the portion of our high school. This is actually one that was donated to us by other PE teacher from a different district. Shout out Mr. Stratton. So first and foremost, let's talk a little bit about handlebars. We'll start from the front to the back. Handlebars, most important thing I would say other than brakes and obviously pedals. This is what's going to help you control and steer and keep you stable. So first and foremost, we have our gears selectors here. This is an older bike, so some of the gears are rubbed out. But this would be, it would say 1 through 4 right here. Obviously it doesn't say it here. But this is kind of keeping the track. If you're trying to go, if you're going up on a big steep incline, we can go drop it down to a 4 where we're really pedaling and it's really light and easy pedal. Again, some bikes are different. 4 can mean it's really hard, and that's where we're trying to build up speed and we're kind of coasting through it all. Some are at, where a 1 is real loose and we're moving it. So this bike obviously is a 4. We're loose, we're getting up hills and stuff like that. Obviously 2, it's a little bit harder. 3 harder, 4 is the hardest. So if we're going up a hill, we're gonna keep it at 1. Right now it's at 1. And that you can see, if you come swing around on this side of the bike, these are all where your chains are at. So right now it's at that one spot where I was telling you before. Again, if you want to swing back over, we're gonna go back over. Now we're gonna talk a little bit about this side. So this side, it ranges from 1 to 8. Right now it's at that 8 spot where we're pedaling. It's like a real light. If you think about a seated, bike at the gym or somewhere around there, and we have our resistance to like a 1, where we can really just pedal as fast as we can. That's similar to this bike. Obviously, that's where it gets it from. Moving out, we're gonna go to our brakes. Right here, if we roll forward a little bit, that's gonna stop our front brake. Our front brake is obviously made by this mechanism right here. It's kind of like a clamp. This clamp has 2 rubber stoppers. It goes right on the wheel, right here if you can't see. And once you're rolling, it clamps together and stops the whole thing. And then on this side, on the right side, it's important to know this is your back brake. We're using our back brake most of the time when we're riding. Again, we talked about a little bit about our chain. Then we'll move on to the tires. We started from top, now we're gonna work our way to the bottom. Our tires, if you wanna come on up here, I like to do a two finger pinch. There should be a little give, but it shouldn't be able to squeeze all the way down in that. That's how you know if the air's all right. Again, when we come back to our whiteboard, that's talking about our ABCs. So our A is for air, our B is for our brakes, and our C, and that is for our chain. Again, it's really important to know how everything functions on that bike and how to maintain it. Thank you guys for watching, and let's have a great year.